If you want to change language for a specific app on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all, let's open up our settings, then let's scroll down to our General Management tab, and we gotta find our app languages. Choose this option. Here you can see the list of the applications which are changeable. For example, let's change language on our YouTube, open up our YouTube, and choose any other language. For example, let's choose Spanish. Why not? Now, as you see, it is in Spanish. Let's open up our YouTube. And as you see, everything is in Spanish. Easy as that. To switch back to your English, tap on YouTube, tap System Default or English. I'll press System Default because my system operates in English. Now, open it up and it's in English once again. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.